What's good, everybody? It's your boy Brian, the crypto newbie, and I am back. All right, so today we are talking about my update to mining the library token. Basically, I'm going to give you guys all of the profitability, how much I made so far, and all of the good stuff about the LBC token right after this. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in tonight. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button because, you know, I appreciate your love as usual. And if you are not new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment down below just to let me know that you're enjoying the content or not. You know what I'm saying? So also, I do have the new feature of the super thanks on my account now. Thank you to YouTube. I'll clap for that. So you can show your appreciation for my channel by sending me a super thanks, or as well as sending me some CKB from the address inside of the description. All right. So, and we also have other affiliate links inside of the description now as well. So I just wanted to make sure that I come through and let you guys know to check out those links down in the description. So first thing is first, man. So we gonna check out Library Coin. So Library Coin is basically, it is a cryptocurrency that is used on the platform Odysee. Odysee is basically a decentralized platform that is very similar to YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys. So basically this is Odysee, and basically it is, you know, another form of YouTube, pretty much like, you know, before YouTube did a lot of their updates, this is what YouTube used to look like for real. So if, as you can see, it pretty much have the exact same layout, have different categories on the side. The thing with the LB token is that you can actually earn the LB token by actually watching videos, posting videos, commenting on other people's videos. It's just so many different things and ways that you can actually make, that you can earn LBC coin from just, you know, being on a platform Odysee here. So I will link my my channel description. I will link my channel down in the description for Odysee as well, so you guys can make sure that you come over there and follow me. I might, you know, upload some differential content over there that is, you know, pretty much different from what I'm posting on YouTube. All right, so let's see here. So we're gonna check. So looking at Library Tokens page right now on Twitter, you can see they have about 83,000 followers, which is, you know, a pretty good number. You know, I'm liking it. So basically I'm new to the whole mining thing, and so I just try to learn as much as I can about, you know, what I'm investing in. So this particular crypto is under a lot of scrutiny right now with the SEC. So they have something going on that is very similar to Ripple, which is XRP. And they have a court hearing with the SEC very, very soon. They have a tweet here that is pinned that says, "Help us save crypto. The future of crypto in US is at risk. The SEC are suing us and saying LBC is a security. It's not." Okay, you know, so that alone makes me think that, okay, if this coin happens to win this SEC lawsuit, the type of price that this coin would have at that point would be at least double its all-time high. And if I'm not mistaken, the all-time high is right around about 75 cents. So I'm saying if these guys are able to pull out a victory with their SEC lawsuit, I do see this token being able to reach at least $1.50 in the short term, if they are able to win this lawsuit between them and the SEC. Looking down, let's see here. Yeah, they definitely are preparing for the lawsuit, and they're not happy about it. But it is a part of the game, man. So maybe I'll go a little more in depth about the SEC lawsuit with Library in a future video. But right now, we're just gonna keep it moving just for the sake of the video. So really quick, before I show you guys the profitability and everything, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you already did that, make sure you drop me a comment down below and let me know if you interested in getting into mining, if you have purchased your first crypto, or if you just into the whole finance thing or not. So let's see here. So we're gonna jump on over to DX Pool so we can get into some of these profit numbers really quick. All right, so as you guys know, look real quick. So this is my real-time hash rate. I'm doing right about right now on the hour about 188.49 gigahertz a second, which is extremely good. Let's jump straight over to the profit because I know that's what everybody wants to see. Let me see here. So right now it says that my yesterday's profit is in the settlement. I just looked at it not too long ago, and if I'm not mistaken, I was at right about 36 LB coin for the day. So far, I have made 725 and been paid out 725 LB tokens. With the current profits that I made today, it'll be roughly right around 760 tokens that I've earned from mining crypto so far. So let's see here really quick. My hash rate and everything looks okay. No rejections. So everything looks good on this end. Another beautiful thing that I love about DXPool is the fact that they have their own wallet system set up for you, just in case you don't have an actual wallet set up already and you're mining and you want to start mining these cryptos. They actually have their own wallet already set up inside of the actual system, so it works out pretty well, and you can actually just hold your crypto here until you set up that wallet. But as I always say, definitely always hold your crypto not on an exchange. Get your hardware wallet. I definitely suggest that you guys look into the Nano Ledger wallet. I do have a link down below for that as well. Check that out. It's definitely a smart and very, very safe thing to have. Let me see here. Let's go back. So if we go off the price of what we have right now, off of all the LB that we have, so it says 727 over here, which again, once I get my payout for the day, it'll be roughly right around 760, a little over. So that's what I'm gonna calculate today. Let's see. So 760 LBC tokens times the price, which the price is right around 1.5 cent, but I want to be accurate on the price. So let's actually go see what the price is over on Coin Market Cap really quick and see if they can give me a price that is exact. And let me see, LBC. All right, so the price on Coin Market Cap for the token right now is 14.2. All right, let me see. 0.0142 equals roughly. So I've only made $10.79 with it being at the current price that it is at right now, with the token, because the token is literally a penny, almost a penny and a half. So that's not very much, but again, let me show you guys the all-time high for this thing though, which is super, super crazy to me. The all-time high, which this was like 75 cents. Oh no, this was $1.06. So it actually made it up to $1.06. That is incredible. No, it made it to $1.21. Okay. Wow. So that even makes my thought process for it even larger. So it went to $1.21 in the past. So again, if Library is able to win this SEC lawsuit, I see this price doubling from its past all-time high, which again, as you can see, is $1.21. Like, that is just nuts. I did not know that it went to $1.21. So let's just say it did double and it went to $2.40. And let's just count what we have already. So we're gonna say that same 760 times $2.40 will put us at $1,824 just off what we have right now. So just imagine if we are able to just keep accumulating as much LBC token as possible, and what we will be able to do in the future. So again, guys, I just wanted to come through, show you guys what I've been doing so far with the LBC token, how much money I've been making. So again, I've only made a little over $10 with it being at the current price that it is, but I am going to hold on to this crypto for a very long time until it does something parabolic. And we'll make some money at that point. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Brian, the Crypto Newbie, and I appreciate you guys, but I am out. Bow.